Hello, good morning. My name is Ramneek Singh and I'm doing task 8.1C of SIT 232. So I am with my code and I'll be telling that basically this code is testing my stack class to perform various operations with the accounts such as finding and removing accounts and determining the balances, the maximum and the minimum. So first of all, I'll be showing my demo. Then I'll be going through my three main classes. Just a moment. So first of all, my code is running good. I'll be explaining it at the end. So first of all, I'll be going through my stack CS. So this class basically it implements stack data structure allowing me to store any type of object that implements I-cooperable. So it includes methods of adding, retrieving, manipulating items in the stack. So it basically has two main fields. This one, private T array and public T count. Then goes for my constructor. It initializes. After that, I have my methods: public void push, public T pop. So this push methods adds an element to the top of stack, and the public T pop it removes and returns the top element of the stack. Then I'll be going to my fields. Sorry, I already discussed my fields, right? So the next methods, public T find, it searches for the first element that matches a given condition starting from the top of stack. Then public T find all. So it basically retrieves all elements matching a given condition. So public int remove all method, last one. So it remove all elements that match a given condition and returns basically the count of removed elements, right? Then going for my T max and T minimum. So T max returns the element with maximum value and T minimum returns the element with the minimum value. So after that, going to my account class, the code for my account class I have taken from one of my past tasks as it was given in the task sheet. So this class basically represents a bank account containing properties for the account name and balance. It also at the last, it implements the I-cooperable account interface for the comparison we need to make, right? So first of all, it has two fields, balance and name. Then it goes for the constructor. It has various methods, public bool deposit. So this basically increases the balance by a specified amount and returns true. And if the amount is non-positive, it returns false, as we have given in this condition. Amount is greater than 0, it adds to the balance, otherwise it's false. I've added the right lines as per that only. The next method is withdraw. It basically decreases the balance amount balance by a specified amount if the sufficient funds exist, and it returns false otherwise, because if the funds are not sufficient. Then going for my final print method, so it prints account name and account balance. Then I have used my two getters, string name and string balance. Now finally, the thing which is new, I-cooperable implementation. So this basically compares the current account balance with another account's balance. It returns a negative value if the current account balance is less. It returns 0 if they are equal. It returns a positive value if current account balance is greater. Now going to my tester class. So this is having basically the test methods. So I'll be testing it. My bad, sorry. So firstly, we use find method to search for an account with balance greater than $100. The account found was emergency fund. It is the account name. So this shows that our method is correctly identified. And then accounts with positive balance 4. So for that we call find all method to retrieve all accounts with positive balance. So it shows the result 4. 4 means that 4 such accounts are there in the stack, which is satisfying the given condition, so it is also successful. And then going for remove all method output. So basically you can see one account removed. So for that we use remove all method to remove any account with a negative balance. The output 1 that indicates that account was removed from the stack. So it tells that our method efficiently identifies and removes the account based on our condition. The next and the last is maximum method output, maximum and minimum method output. So we can see maximum balance account investment minus 500 and minimum balance account checking minus 50. So basically it means that we tested the max method, which finds the account with the highest balance. In this case the account is investment and with a balance of 500. This confirms that the method is functioning correctly to determine the maximum value. And please mind that this is not a minus sign, this is the dash, so please don't get confused by this. 550, it's not minus 500, it's 550. And for the minimum, we use the minimum method to find account with the lowest positive balance. So basically we can say that I'm sorry, my last video was interrupted by some network issues. So I already showed the demo. So basically we can say that our tests have successfully demonstrated the functionality of myStack class, which includes methods of finding accounts, counting them, removing specific accounts, and determining maximum and minimum balances. So these outputs which I've just explained, it confirms that all methods were working as it was expected in the task sheet. So thank you very much.